Got another lesson for you from Jaden's new album, CTV3. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Birth of SYRE. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is an E major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 12th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 14th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 14th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 13th fret of the G string. And you're going to strum downwards in a sweeping motion. Next is a B7 chord, so you're going to place your pointer finger on the 11th fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 14th fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 13th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 14th fret of the G string, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. Next is a C sharp minor chord, so you're going to bar the 9th fret with your pointer finger, you're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the D string. Next is a B major chord, so you're just going to take the E major chord and move it down to the 7th fret. Then an A major bar chord, so you're going to take the B major and move it down 2 frets. And then back to the B major bar chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for the Birth of SYRE. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.